start, but the darkness just won't let go. Redundant patterns got me low on petrol. I'm trying to clutch the hourglass and it's wearing on my mental. So unsettled is how I treadmill the path of circumstances. Optical illusion advancements. Yo, I had plenty of chances to rectify the detrimental strides. Circling questions for answers, only to collide into mirrors of reflections. Back where I reside, on the other side of where I need to be. Evaluate my life and see what Christ means to me, more than just conveniently seeking when there's pain in my chest. So I trudge on, left to right, right to left, just to escape the clutches of death. I lay back and seek holiness with each breath.
Mine to be my loud voice, the silence and heat when my piety switches expensive variety. I saga me, body me, sit and rest in it. Turn the page of mediocrity, apostasy, testament. Lessons spent, bends over a false promise is evident. My temperament's never been less affectionate. Pedaling my foot over crevice, broke my stance from the dance. I'm in the World Book of Guinness. Apprentice in the most drop catches. Restless as I gasp and collapse over the fences. Benches on my best friend, I'm destined to his presence. The essence of me coincides with the peasants. My size only lies with the sentence. My cries only wise in his presence. Practice gazing in his amazing eyes as I find reverence. Blessings only a part of me, I hardly know the meaning. Feeling at the bottom of a pile, so to him I'm clinging.
Some will live,
some will die,
some will laugh,
some will cry,
some will crawl,
some will fly,
some will fall.
I'll still try.
Some will live,
some will die,
some will laugh,
some will cry,
some will crawl,
some will fly,
some will fall.
I'll still try. Chicken, we all fall down, but only some get up. You can hang your head in disgust if you down on your luck. I'm weathered with rust, out of touch, out of touch. My first rush, really feeling deeper than Earth's crust. I'm like a diamond in the rough, on my back facing up. It's like these rules, I've had enough. Now my shoes are getting scuffed. Sometimes I'm gone in the wind, equivalent to dust. Recognize when the tough gets going, the going gets tough.
I'm in the womb of my room, contemplating exit like an infant, only to be surviving like babies being breastfed. I'm receiving my formula from the omnipotent, taking my first steps of faith, hoping that you're watching and listening, guiding me like some training wheels, cause I'm in a rut right now. Standing way beyond Jordan, trying to look into the crowd, cause life is rather loud, life is rather loud. So I'm in desperate need to see earplugs to turn this pain down, at least long enough to make it through these obstacles and stay afloat, using each lesson as a stepping stone to reach this plateau of hope, long enough where I can reside and get upon my feet and continue on this race that you created for me.
Some will live,
some will die,
some will laugh,
some will cry,